Hello friends, so in this video we'll take you through a quick tour of a newly launched program Arsenal for UPSC Sociology. The good part about UPSC Sociology is its short syllabus. However, one major challenge that candidates face is the sources are quite scattered and discrete. There are multiple books for different topics and which have to be read selectively. So that's what we are trying to address through this program. It will be a one-stop shop for all the contents and question banks that you need to crack UPSC Sociology. So this program will consist of theory, animations, videos, current affairs. So the current affairs will give a dynamic touch to your preparation. If you observe the last few years question of UPSC Sociology, they are all driven by current affairs and question banks. So after you have gained the conceptual clarity through these theory, animations, watching videos, going through the current affairs, you need to practice the questions to implement what you have actually learned. This question bank will consist of previous year questions as well as fresh questions. We'll cover both paper 1 and paper 2. You will get lifetime access. There is no expiry date. So there is a fundamental difference between the two papers of sociology. If you closely observe the heading of these papers, the paper 1 says fundamentals of sociology, whereas paper 2 says Indian society. The word sociology does not even picture in the paper 2 heading. That is the reason why there are often complaints about GS like questions being asked in paper 2 because you are looking for direct sociology driven questions. However, paper 2 is not about sociology only, it is about Indian society. That's one of the reasons why many candidates are able to score pretty good marks in paper 1. However, they fail to score decent marks in paper 2. We'll cover all this in detail in the Arsenal series. Now, coming to what all this platform will consist of. We'll cover a few of them here in this video. So, government sources are an important source for UPSC sociology materials. NCRT is one of them. However, you will read mostly the sociology NCRT books. However, there are many non-sociology books as well which are very important for different syllabus topics of UPSC sociology. This is one section from a non-sociology NCRT which talks about the sexual division of labor in a family, and the UPSC syllabus explicitly mentions sexual division of labor. So wherever there is any question on sexual division of labor and patriarchy, you can quote this text from NCRT. We'll cover all such portions from NCRT, IGNOU, and other sources and compile them topic wise in the Arsenal portal. Let's take a look at Emil Durkheim's concept of solidarity, mechanical solidarity and organic solidarity. So what you observe in these two pictures is all of them in this picture have the same tool. That means they are engaged in the same kind of activity. However, their look and feel might differ. Someone has a beard, some don't have. Whereas in the picture for organic solidarity, their tools are different. That means they are dependent on each other for the kind of job that they are not actually performing. So both of them are leading to some sort of solidarity. We will discuss this in detail in the Arsenal portal. Next, this is another example of how non-sociology books can help in sociology preparation. Let's look at this 2019 question which talked about are all world religions patriarchal? And this text talks about family laws of all religions discriminating against women. So, this is an extremely important example to be quoted in this question. Again, this text is not from sociology source, it is from a non sociology source. We will compile all such sources topic wise. Images are an important ingredient of conceptual clarity. Let's look at this image. There is a group of children. They have formed a sort of in group, and this child is excluded from this in group. The interaction of this child with this group would shape her identity. So, this image explains a lot of topics like social exclusion, self and identity, as talked about by G.H. Mead, and in group and out group. One image around more than three concepts. So that's how we will compile all such images and arrange them topic wise in the Arsenal portal. We will also make a collection of mind maps. This is another visualization tool so that you get a long lasting impression of the concepts which is easier for you to apply in actual exam. So this mind map talks about the power trio of sociology. Karl Marx, Emil Durkheim, Max Weber, they have helped in establishing sociology as a separate discipline. For example, Emil Durkheim helped delineate sociology from psychology because both sociology and psychology had a significant overlap in terms of the subject domain. This slide is interesting. So you must have read about caste system. It is an important component of paper 2 of UPSC sociology, and a lot of places a lot of attention is given to this topic. What you normally read is the negative aspects of caste system. It is hierarchical, exclusionary, divisive, etc., etc. But caste as a system or as a practice is continuing over generations because of some functional role for some section of the society, right? So there is a book, Caste as a Social Capital by Professor R. Vaidyanathan. He is an ex-IIM Bangalore faculty. So let me clarify here. You should not and you must not read this book because there are several such books and you don't have the time to read all such books. And in fact, it would be not it won't be a judicious use of your precious time. So let's take a look at this previous year question. It was asked in 2014, 10 marks. Using Merton's concept of manifest and latent function, explain the persistence of corruption. In the same way, latent and manifest functions of caste system can help explain its persistence in Indian society. One of the manifest functions is it acts as a social capital. What it means, all related texts will go through this book and take out the important sections and compile them for you in the Arsenal portal. Now coming to how the notes will be arranged in the Arsenal portal. Suppose we are covering a topic called Marx. It will have the theory portion for your conceptual clarity, animations, cartoons, videos, etc. so that you can visualize the concepts and understand them for a long lasting impression on your mind. This will also reduce the number of revisions you would need for gaining confidence in a particular topic. Hand drawn illustrations that will help make a pictorial analysis and a mental diagram of the concept. Current affairs, it is very important. Almost all questions in the last few years are being driven by current affairs. We'll link the current affairs to the static portion, and then there would be question bank. Whatever you have learned, the concepts, the theories, the current affairs, etc., you can implement them here and check your progress. Question bank would consist of previous year questions and fresh questions. All of these questions would be arranged topic wise so that you can focus on the value addition and answer writing aspects, not waste your energy on material collection. Definitions are an important part of sociology. It is one of the ways of introducing an answer. So it is advisable to make a compilation from government sources, NCRT, IGNOU, NIOS, etc. We will make a compilation of all such definitions and arrange them topic wise in the Arsenal portal again to make sure that you don't end up becoming a material collector. This is a sample definition of stratification. You will come across several definitions which are conflicting in nature, not quite up to the mark, but government sources can be the go-to place for such definitions. So what all this program will consist of? It will consist of static materials that we have discussed in this video so far. Theory, animations, cartoons, mind maps, question banks, etc. Step Up series, current affairs of 2019, 2020, 2021, and 1 year EPW access. It is for the details of this are mentioned in the description below. So if you have any question or and enrollment link, the email address, our Telegram contact details, etc., are all mentioned in the description below. So you can check out the details there. All we want through this program is you are sacrificing so much of time, energy, resources, expectations of your parents, friends, everyone to become a district collector. In the process, please do not become a material collector. We will compile, analyze, we will do everything when it comes to material compilation, question bank, definitions, etc. Everything will be compiled topic wise in the Arsenal portal so that your precious time can be devoted to the productive aspects of your preparation. So that's all for this video. If you have any question, drop us an email or ping us on Telegram. The details are mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much.